Hello, beautiful people. It is your girl, Linda Sims. And yes, I am back and I am glad you are back. Guess what? I uploaded the demo for this dance and the instructional was only 29 minutes. I never did finish it. And I think I uploaded the wrong one. So I'm here to do the step-by-step instruction for just the tip. You might as well go ahead and teach it to your class. This is a classic and they're going to play it everywhere. It is a one-wall dance and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, I'll post the demo at the end. Let's dance together. So are you ready? Let's go. Just the tip. So it's a one-wall dance. And for part one, we're going to face this wall here. Okay? So part one, you're going to do twice on the front and the back wall. The same thing. Okay? So it starts with the weight on the left. So you go up. Right, tap left. And then left, tap right. Again, 5, 6, 7, and right, tap left, go up left, tap right. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, tap, 3 and 4, tap. You're going to roll back and sit on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 1, 2, 3, tap 4. Okay, so the right come back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, tap on 4 to transition to the next move. Okay, let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, take it up. Right, tap left, tap right. Now you see how I'm moving forward? And then I sit back. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 1, 2, 3, tap 4. From here, I'm going to tap out right, left, in and out. Out and in, out and in on the right, out and in on the left, step forward on the right, and half turn. Okay? And my right heel is up, and that's going to prepare me to go into, start the dance over again, moving forward on the right. So let's put that together. We went out, step, half turn. Step pivot half with the right shoulder coming forward, half turn. That is part one. Let's put it together. Moving up with the weight starting on the left. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2. Tap 3 and 4. Tap 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 1, 2, 3. Tap 4 out. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 8 is going to be on my left. Okay? I'm going to do it again. So remember, I walked up on my right and tapped on the left. So my right heel is up. I go right into it. Right, tap, left, tap. Sit back on your right. 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, tap 8, out and in, out, step, pivot, half. Okay, so that's part one. Now notice my heel is up. I'm going to rock back and recover with a 3/4 turn. When I do that, I'm going to be facing the camera. So just for the sake of this part, so you can see the footwork, would you allow me to turn to this wall here? Okay, so I'm going to turn to this wall just so you can see what I'm going to do. So I just did part one twice, and I'm coming back at my front wall. This is my front wall, but for right now, I'm going to say this is the front wall. So my right heel is up. I'm going to rock back and recover. Rock back, recover. And when I go forward, I'm going to make a 3/4 turn. Right, left, right. Right, left, right. 3/4 with my right shoulder coming forward. Again, Rock back, recover, reverse right, left, right. My last step is on my right. I step up on the left. Up, left, together, and roll. Then I repeat this same step on my right, I do on the left. So I'm doing the same thing. Rock back, recover with a 3/4 turn that I did on the right, I'm going to do on the left. So I come back on the left. Left, right, left shoulder come forward. Left, right, left. That's a 3/4 turn. Step up on the right, right up together and roll. All right? Now, you won't do this step throughout the whole entire dance. You'll do it on the first rotation and the second rotation. So this part comes after you do part 1. Okay? And you're only going to do it on the first and the second rotation. All right? So let's put that together. Rock back, recover. So you rock back, recover, right, left, right. 3/4 turn with the right shoulder coming forward, right, left up, step up together, and roll. I went and roll. So I just did it on the right. Now I'm going to do it on the left. Left, right, right up, together, and roll. So that movement is that step is what brings us back to our wall. Let's go back here. You already know what to do. I'm going to show you how it's going to bring you back to our original wall. This part here that we're doing twice on the right and the left. You know the step. You're going to be looking back at the camera, but go ahead and do it. I'm going to call it out. Back on the right. Back right, left, recover. 3/4 turn forward. Right, right. Step up on the left together, and roll. Rock back on the left and recover. Left, right, 3/4 turn. Left, left. Step up on the right, together, and roll. Yes, you got it. You got it. I can feel it. Now, let's put this together. Part 1 with this part here. Okay? Now, weight is on the left, up on the right, and tap it on the left. 5, 6, 7, part 1. Right, tap, left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8, out, 1, 2, and pivot forward. Right, tap, left, sit back and roll, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8, out, step, pivot, half here. No. Look at me. Don't move your footwork. Your feet is where it needs to be. All you got to do not move your footwork. So when you do this step, pivot, half, leave it there. All you have to do is move your weight, which right, left. You just got to rock back and recover. Your footwork is there already. So when you go out and out, step, pivot, half. Don't move your footwork. Move your weight. Right, left, right, up, left, and roll. Back left, right, left, up, right, and roll. Yes. Now, the last part to put this dance together is on all 4 walls, moving counterclockwise. Step, tick, on the left, on the right, step, tick, jump out and in together, and step, pivot, half. 1/4 turn to your left, 1/4 turn. So, what did I do? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Do it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Do it again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Last time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. That's it. That's the dance. Part 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Your rotation, you do part 1, 2, and 3. Second rotation, 1, 2, and 3. Third rotation, part 1 and 3. 1 and 3 throughout the dance. So you're not going to always do that part 2. Only on the first and second rotation, okay? Now, let's put it all together. Just the tip. Let me give you the tip, honey. You got everything you need to do this dance. And there's nothing hard. So instructors, would I teach this to my beginners class? Yes, I would. Yes, I would. Yes, because there's nothing hard in this dance, okay? It is an intermediate dance, but there's nothing hard that your seasoned beginners can't do. You got those beginners that's beginners intermediate, they can do this dance, okay? Because it's 3 parts. And the rotation changes. There's a change in the dance, okay? So, let's start over. From the top, we're doing part 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm done, honey. We're done. We're finished. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, step right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 back. 5, 6, 7, 8 left. 1, 2, 3 tap. 4 out and in. 5 and 6 turn. 7, 8. Again. 1 and 2 tap. 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 left. 1, 2, 3 tap. 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 and 4 left. 5, 6 row 7, 8. Back left on the cover. 1, 2 left. 3 and 4 right up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Part 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7. 8 is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Start it over. That's it. Just a tip. That was 1, 2, and 3. So what I want you to do is look at the demo. Let's dance together. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Giving a shout out to everyone that leaves a comment. Thank you so kindly. I appreciate you. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.